Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to revise unit number 6, that is your digital documentation. Yes, dear students, in this unit, first topic is here how to open the LibreOffice Writer, then what are the different components of it, how to edit the document, how to insert the table, how to select the text. This kind of things we will discuss in this. First point is how to open the LibreOffice Writer. Yes, my dear students, if we want to open the LibreOffice Writer, then how we can do? We just click on Start, then we click on All Programs. In All Program list, we will find there LibreOffice 7.0. After that, click on LibreOffice Writer. When we click on the LibreOffice Writer screen will appear in front of us. Clear, my dear students? How to open the LibreOffice Writer? Click on Start, All Program, LibreOffice 7.0, then LibreOffice Writer. When we click on the LibreOffice Writer, then a screen will appear in front of us that is called LibreOffice Writer screen. In this screen, the two first bar is called title bar. What we called it? Title bar. After title bar, next bar is here, menu bar. Menu bar, after this, there is a standard toolbar. After standard toolbar, next one more toolbar is here, that is called formatting toolbar. And after this white area is called work area. And bottom of this line is called status bar. And on the right hand side of the work area, there is one bar that is called sidebar. These are the components of your LibreOffice Writer. Now, next topic is how to edit the document, how to spell check the content, and how to move the text, how to insert table. All these things we will do in laptop. Now, let's do the practical of rest of the part.